Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your subscriptions from the public. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. So first, let me explain what a public subscription means. If you have a YouTube channel, then you can also do this. If you open YouTube Studio and go to your dashboard and go to recent subscribers here on the dashboard, scroll down if you need to, and click on see all, you're going to see everyone who hasn't made their subscription private. So this is a default setting by YouTube. So when you subscribe to a YouTube channel, they're going to be able to see your channel. They're going to see when you have subscribed to that channel, what is your subscriber count, and they can also subscribe to you and check out your channel if they click on that icon here. So if you don't want to show up on these subscriber list, then you can hide your subscriptions, and it's really easy to do. Let me show it how it's done. So all you have to do is open up youtube.com and sign in into your account, then click on your profile icon, then select settings, then click on privacy on the left here, and here under the playlist and subscription section, you're gonna see this keep all my subscription private. And if this is not turned on, everybody is going to see your subscriptions. If you want to make your subscription private and hide from the general public, then select this on, and your subscription won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals, and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.